how to change your Calm app password step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your calm.com, and in here you can even use the application version of it. It really does not matter. The website version is also like the same. So like I said, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on that menu bar right here. You can tap on login right here, and then like fill up all of the credentials of your account in order to log into your calm.com. After you have successfully logged in, here we'll get into the dashboard of Calm app, and then from here you can actually tap on the profile icon on the top right corner that you'll be able to see. Once you're logged in, tap on that one, then you'll be able to see a gear like icon. Tap on that gear like icon, and then we'll get into the settings where you'll need to tap on edit profile. Tap on edit profile, and then you'll be able to see change password. Tap on change password, and then enter the existing password, and then set new password, and then save it. And that's all you need to do in order to change your Calm app password step by step. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, or else that will be it for this video.